Hey, gonna do a quick review on holiday time uh, kitchen towel set. I got this around Christmas last year on Walmart. Uh, I'll probably have this or something similar to this year when we get closer to Christmas. It's around it close to the end of September right now. Got a pot holder, oven mitt, one dish towel. I can't remember how much I paid for it. It's been almost a year ago and I don't remember how much I paid for it. It's pretty good quality material. We've used it, we've used it a lot since I bought it. We do a lot of cooking here. We've got 3 adults, 4 kids here. We can't afford to eat out too often, so we cook pretty much everything we eat around here. So most kitchen towels and stuff like that gets used a lot around here. It's pretty good quality. The sewing's pretty good. It does a good job. You got a hot pot or pan. You're taking off the stove or getting something out of the oven. You need something on your hand, keep it from getting burnt. The towel's pretty good for drying your dishes off and just wiping stuff off your hands, the counter, whatever you might be doing in the kitchen. They've been through the washer a lot of times, and it still holding up pretty good. Both got that little thing here, loop here, where you can hang it up on your fridge, your stove, wherever you got. Or you just got some little hooks where you can hang them up at. It's pretty good. I mean, it's a nice little towel set, especially for around the holidays to use. This is sorry about that. And it says the Walmart's holiday time towels, kitchen towel, dish towel, whatever you want to call it, that I bought around Christmas last year. They'll probably have something similar to this year when we get closer around Christmas. It's, I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I've got a pretty good amount of use. We got a pretty good amount of use out of it. And it's holding up pretty good so far. Usually it's good quality material. It's cute. Got a little snowman on it.